Welcome back. In today's video we are trying to explain the slanted walls. What does that slanted walls word means? It means that we have our walls a little bit sloped. Okay, so let me go to the level 1 and have my walls and change the walls to, let's say, generic 200 and create a wall like this. Okay, so I'm trying to select this. You can see that in the properties we have cross-section definition. Tells me that the cross section is vertical. So when I click on this, you can see you have vertical, slanted, tapered. In this video I'm going to explain the slanted, but in the next one I'll explain the tapered. For the slanted one, when I click on this, it gives me another option. It's angle from vertical. It tells me specify an angle between negative 90 and plus 90, where 0 is vertical. Okay, so now it's vertical because it's 0. So I'm trying to play with it, make it 5 and see it. You can see that it's a little bit slanted to this direction. It comes to me, toward down. And you can see this is the bottom of the wall. Let me go to the 3D and see it clearly. When I am rotating around, I can see that it has been slanted. I can select it and make it negative 5. It will reverse the direction of being slanted or sloped. I'm going with the 10. Let's see. Something like this. And you can make it 15. Or you can select it and change it from here. You can make it 25 like this. Okay. And when I go to the level 1, you can see something like this appears. Let me go to disable thin lines, and this is my wall, and this is the slanted part. Okay, this is the bottom, and this is being slanted or sloped, and this is the section taken. So I'm going to select this and connect it to the up to level 2. Okay, and let's see it. As you can see, it's something like this. Let me add doors, how it acts with it. Let me add it here. You can see something like this. And let me add windows. Let me add a big window. And let me add it here. Yep. And let me see it in the 3D. You can see that my doors and windows are not slanted. This is a problem, but don't worry, we can solve this. Just select this door and go to the orientation in the properties panel. Just make it this one slanted and apply. It will create something like this, and select this and make this one slanted. And you can see it doesn't have any problems. But keep in mind, the doors in this direction, when you open it, it will have a friction with the opening and with the ground. So this is not an applicable way or practical way to add doors here like this. Actually, you can add slide doors. This is also practical, and you can have windows like this. This is no problem. But doors like this, it's just a problem. It will be has a friction. It will not be opened like this. So Revit is just giving you the option to do it. It's the practical, if it's practical or not, it's not Revit's business. Okay, it's depending on the real world. So this is how we added our doors and windows, and we have a slanted wall. Let me show you another thing, is that when I go to the wall, I want to have a rectangular one. Okay, let me have a rectangular wall, and let me press tab and click it, and make top constraint to level 2, and let me copy it. CO for copying. Click here, and let me add a floor. Okay, let me add a floor and have something like this, and let me lock it. Okay, this is I'm locking this because when I change the wall, it will change the roof size. Finish edit mode and go to the 3D, and you can see it is down below. Let's change it to the level 2, and it's something like this. Let me click on it, and again have finish edit mode and attached. Okay, you can see that if I change my wall, it will change. The roof will be parametric. Okay, like this. You see. So I when I want to make this one parametric, I mean slanted wall, it says that the concept of the sketch defining the highlighted elements cannot be satisfied. So it creates a problem for us. It's deleting the element, it deletes the floor. This is a problem. So how can I solve this problem? Actually, you should do the slanted thing before. Let me show you something. Yeah, let me don't attach it and make this one 15 centimeters go up, and let's change from here and make it slanted. It deletes it. Why is this? Because we attached it. So I'm going to the wall, selecting it, detach it, detach it. It's detached, I think. Okay, let me go to here and again see, close this and don't attach. Okay, I will change this. Let me go to the slanted, and it says delete element. This is a problem that's created. So that I'm going to solve this, I'll delete the floor and go to here to change it to the slanted one and make a change in the degree, and we can now add it here. Let me go to the floor and make it level 2 and have something like this from this side and see it. Don't attach. Something like this has been created. You can always try to manage it like this and don't attach, or you can attach it, just attach to here like this. So you can attach it, or you want to align it, you can go to select edit boundary and align it AL with this wall. I think it's not going to align. Okay, I don't know why, but let's do it manually like this and attach, and you can see your roof has been floor has been attached, but it's not going to connect to it. Keep that in mind. For the roof, same thing. We go to the level 2 and let me select from this side. Okay, let's have it something like this, and let me go to select it and go to the level uh, 2. Okay, let me delete it and do it again. Why I do this? Because I want to lock it and you can see what I'm doing. So same thing goes for this one. When I change the wall, the roof is going to change. But when I'm going to slant this, make it slanted, nothing will be deleted. This is not the case. But when I change it to this degree, let's say, it will not follow the roof is not following this wall. So you should manually uh, adjust it like this. You see? Let me show you another thing is that let's go to the wall and let's have, let's say, wall something like this and have something near to this, and let's connect. Okay, and have something like this. If we go to the 3D, you can see it. Just select it and you can go to the slanted and make it 15. Okay, something like this will be created. So you can just adjust it and unjoin elements. Yeah, sometimes it's going to unjoin because we have a problem with these. Just select this one and unjoin it. Let's unjoin it. This creates a problem, it seems. So something like this will be created. Okay. And we can reverse it to make it negative 15. It will be opened in the vice versa direction. Let me delete these, or let me delete this one and just leave this one. I want to have uh, an edit profile. In the previous versions, we couldn't do the edit profile, but now, locally, fortunately we can do it. Just click on it, and have, let's say, a spline. Click here, something like this, and let me drag it here. We cannot trim it. Keep that in mind. Splines are not going to be trimmed. And let's have something like this. What I'm going to do. Yes, this is what we did. I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.